One of the key movement patterns we have as humans is the hip hinge. It's seen everywhere from deadlifts to picking stuff up off the floor, and here's a good drill to get better at it. Start with a foam roller sitting on the top of your quads up towards your hips. Use both forearms to pull the foam roller strongly into your legs, which will engage your lats. While maintaining this engagement through the lats, roll the foam roller down your thighs and up your forearms. As you go down, keep your knees relatively still in a very slightly unlocked position and push your butt back to the wall behind you, then return back up. You should feel this in your glutes and in the back of your legs in your hamstring muscles, along with possibly some sensation in the top of your calves. If you don't have the tension with your forearms against the foam roller, you will likely begin to collapse and round through the upper thoracic spine, which isn't a bad thing inherently, but decreases the effectiveness of the hinge movement and relies more on lumbar flexion. If you allow your knees to bend as you're performing this, you'll perform more of a squat movement, taking out the effectiveness of this exercise in hamstring strength, which is not what we are trying to perform. This is a great rehab tool to practice the hinge movement pattern, but it is also a great low-load warm-up drill prior to deadlifts or RDLs.